Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take a photo with your younger self. Yes, your childhood you, and make it look alive. And it's free, easy, and only takes a few minutes using one app. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Dream app Face. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store, and once it's installed, just log in into your account. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free plan with weekly credits and even free AI avatar generations. Next, just tap on Avatar Motions or Magic Effects. Just tap on it. And then scroll down until you find childhood photo, this one. Just tap on it. Next, just upload your current photo and then upload your childhood photo. But if you don't have one handy, you can actually just upload your current photo and let the app create a childhood version for you. In this tutorial, I will only upload my current photo. Like this, and then just create. Oh, okay, the result might not be your actual younger self. It's like the app simply animates your photo alongside another child image, or a create child that only kind of looks like you, but the result is still good overall. And okay, that's it. In just a few taps, you have got a fun animated photo of you and your younger self. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.